All right, this is second grade math, lesson 5-5. Break apart numbers to subtract. So let's take a look at what it is asking us to do. Dawn wants to find 42 minus 7 by breaking apart the 7 into two numbers. Use and draw place value blocks to show how Dawn could find the difference. All right, so it's asking us to do 42 minus 7 on here. And we're going to do place value blocks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. And then our place value blocks over here, we have 7. So let's see, I'm going to do, let's see, 7. I can break apart into 2 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2 plus 5. So what I'm going to do is I have 42 minus 7. So I need to subtract 7 of them. And so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go 42 minus 2. So I'm going to subtract these two. So I have 42 minus 2. So I'm going to subtract those two. So if I have 42 minus 2, that equals 40, correct? Then I have 40, so I subtracted these two right here. And I have 40 minus 5 equals 35. So my answer is 35. So what we're going to try and do is break apart the number that we're subtracting with whatever the digit is over here. From our first number, we want to have that same digit first. See how we made a 2 here and a 2 here? So one of our strategies, so it's easier to do mental math. So we're going to be breaking apart the number that we're subtracting. All right, let's go ahead and go on to the back page here. Take a look at our comic strip. 33 minus 6. You can break apart the number you are subtracting to find the difference. So here are 3 ways to break apart 6. Which is the best for subtracting 6 from 33? So what I'm going to look at is seeing if there is a 3 anywhere. So 6, you can have 1 plus 5. 6 can be 2 plus 4. 6 can be 3 plus 3, but that's what we want. We want a 3 and a 3. We want to match those numbers. So when we subtract it, it's really easy. So 33 minus 6 would be 3 plus 3. So we can start at 33 on a number line and subtract 3 to get to 30. 1, 2, 3. And then subtract 3 more. 1, 2, 3 to get to 27. Okay, do you understand? Show me. Look at the problem above. Why wasn't the 6 broken into 1 plus 5 to find 33 minus 6? Because we want the ones digit of 3 from the first number to match our break apart number. Our break apart number. Okay? All right, so let's take a look at our guided practice here. We have 43 minus 9. What we're going to do right off the bat is we're going to take that 3 there and we're going to put it here. Let's take a look at this. We have something. Okay, we'll come back to that one in just a second. All right, let's take a look at 43 minus 9. So 43 minus 9. 9 is 3 plus what? Well, I know 3 plus 6 is the same as 43 minus 9. Okay, so I know 40, if I use my number line, let's see, sorry, we'll start at 43. 43 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. 43 minus 3 puts me at 40. And then 6, we're going to go back 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is going to put me at 34. So we can take a look at that on a number line. Okay, let's take a look at this one here. We have a 4 in our ones place. So we want to have a 4 here when we break it apart. 6 is 4 plus 2. So we would start at 24, and we're going to subtract the first 4 to get it down. See, 24 minus 4 is going to be 20. 1, 2, 3, and over to 4 at 20. And then we're going to subtract that 2. 1, 2, puts us at 18. So again, these are just some strategies we're using to break apart the numbers so that we can get it into the next whole number. That is a group of 10. All right, let's go ahead and get our next independent practice page ready here. And we're just going to be breaking apart all of these numbers. So let's take a look at the instructions. Independent practice, subtract, break apart the number you are subtracting, show your work, use a 100 chart if needed. So what I'm going to do is take a look at this. I've got 8. I need to look at this, the first number that we are starting with, and I need that same digit, 5. 8 is 5 and 3. Okay? 41, I need us to have a 1. 1. 5 is 1 plus 4. Okay, I need a 2 here. 82 minus 7, I'm going to put a 2 here. 7 is 2 and 5. 53 minus 7, I need a 3. So 3, 7 is 3 plus 4. 97, so I need a 7 here. 8 is 7 plus 1. 64, I need a 4 here. 9 plus 5. Okay, we can even break these apart right now too, so that we can get started on our independent practice. I have an 86, I need a 6 here. 8 is 6 plus 2. I have a 2 here. 9 is 2 plus 7. And I have a 6 here. I need the 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. All right, that should get us started. Go ahead and pause the video, and then we'll come back and do it together. All right, 35 minus 8. Well, we're going to do 35 minus 5 is 30, and 30 minus 3 equals 27. So our answer is going to be 27. So we're just working on our mental math. 41 minus 1 is 40, and 40 minus 4, if I count backwards, I know I can get to a difference of 36. 82 minus 2 is 80. 80 minus 5 equals 75, so I have a difference of 75. 53 minus 7, well, 53 minus 3 is 50. 50 minus 4, I'm going to count backwards, is going to be 46. Okay. 97 minus 7 is 90, minus 1 equals 89. 64 minus 4 is 60. 60 minus 5 equals 55. Okay, 86 minus 6 is 80. 80 minus 2, I'm going to count backwards, 79, 78. So we get a difference of 78. 32 minus 2 is 30. 30 minus 7 equals 20 what? Well, I know 7 plus 3 is 10, so 23 is a difference of 23. And 93 minus 3 is 90. 90 minus 3 equals 87. All right, let's take a look at our algebra. One number makes both equations true. Find the missing number. So it's going to be the same number. So let's see, 48 plus what is 56? I'm just going to count up because it's not that far. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. The number is 8. And so that means that 56 minus 8 equals 48. Now take a look at this. 48, 48, 8, 8, 56, 56. The missing number is 8. All right. Great job, everybody. Let's go ahead and Turn it over and go to our last page here. All right. Math practices and problem solving. Solve each problem, show your work. Number 13, Karen has 7 pencils. Karen's teacher has 45 pencils. How many fewer pencils, fewer lets us know we're going to be subtracting. How many fewer pencils does Karen have than her teacher? Explain how you solve the problem. So I'm going to do break apart since that's what we've been doing. 45 minus 7 equals what? So I'm going to break apart my 7 into 5 and 2. So I'm going to do 45 minus 5. 45 minus 5 equals 40. And 40 minus 2 equals what? Well, 40 minus 2, we're going to count backwards. 2 is going to take us down 39, 38. So we know that she has 38 fewer what? Pencils. All right, number 14, higher order thinking. Write a story about a problem that is 63 minus 8, then solve. Let's see. There are 63 stickers. I gave away 8. How many are left? Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and break this apart. This is 63 minus 8. 63 minus 8. So I know I need this to be a 3, and 3 plus 5 equals 8. So I'm going to do 63 minus 3 first is going to take me to 60, and I already used the 3, so I need to use the 5. 60 minus 5 equals 55. So we have 55 stickers left. Again, that's just a sample of how you could do a higher order thinking story. All right, here's our assessment. Dwayne has 24 seashells. He gives, so we know we're subtracting, gives 9 shells to his cousin Rob. How many seashells does Dwayne have now? So 24 minus 9 equals something. I'm going to take a look over here. I have 4 here. So when I break this apart, I want a 4 here plus what? 9 is 4 plus 5. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop the video right there. We're going to pause it, and you're going to go through and solve, and then come back, and let's do our answer. All right, so we have 24 minus 4. 24 minus 4 equals 20. And then now we need to subtract our next part. 20 minus 5 equals 15. So we know that our answer is going to be B, 15. All right, great job, everyone.